All right. Figured I'd make an introduction video to my new project. So, this is a car I just picked up yesterday from Copart. Obviously, it's got some damage, and that's what I wanted. So, I've been doing miscellaneous things for the GTR, and it's been great. However, it's still not what I'm looking for in terms of excitement. And what I want to do to that, in terms of design-wise, would mean cutting into the OEM bodywork. And that car is, in my opinion, way too nice for me to cut into. This one is not. So I picked this car up, and from the looks of it, obviously the front wheel has some real damage. I got to investigate what's going on there, because right now, when I turn it completely this way, it's almost straight. So it's like a lower axle or something's broken. I'll figure it out. No big deal. Then I have the fender, obviously, the bumper, and then the door. So the door stuff, I'm going to have to buy a new door, obviously, or a used one. There's a side skirt damage. But anyhow, besides the door, all of this stuff is stuff that I think is going to be a very fun thing to redo, redesign, and make my own version of. So the headlight, I did notice the amber marker does not work. I'm going to have to figure out what's going on there. Front grille does have some damage, unfortunately. This lower trim, not too worried about it because it's just all plastic and boring. So what I have to do is first make it so I could drive the car, because then I'm going to get it on the lift, and that's where I could start working on it the way I want to, because I do want it out of this area. This is where my other vehicle goes. And then the game plan is I'm going to 3D scan this front fender, because this one is actually perfect. This side, absolutely beautiful. And then what I can do is once I have that scanned, I could design my own version of how I want the front fenders to look. And I could 3D print it, test it, and then make a mold, and then make it either fiberglass or carbon fiber. I haven't decided yet. And that same kind of logic applies to the bumper. Unfortunately, this bumper is damaged, as you can see, but what I need is the generic mounting areas. So my logic is, since this half is good, I'll be able to 3D scan it, do a symmetry modifier, and I could have a good reference of how the bumper should be designed. So overall, I just want to make a quick little introduction video to share where my next project's going to be going, and this is definitely going to be taking up a lot of my time. This video or this channel isn't like a YouTube channel where I buy crashed cars and restore them. That's not what I'm into. But I'll keep people in the loop in terms of me fixing this up before I start modifying it, because the modifying is what I'm really looking forward to, not so much the fixing up. I don't really want to deal with that. However, I am going to, and it is what it is. So quick little intro video, and that's about it. Now I'm going to get to wrenching and start taking things apart. Okay, figured I'd do a little update before posting the video. Got the parts taken apart, or the damaged ones. So the fender's there, the door's there. I'm going to try to salvage the mirror. Hopefully I could. Now, as far as the actual damage on the car goes, because again, this is always a mystery. You buy them and then you try to figure it out. It looks like I have a little bent element right here. This thing right here. And a little scuff on the chassis right there. Overall, not bad at all. The steering issue, tie rod assembly, looked it up, super cheap for this car. So I'm going to order one of those, swap that out, and then in theory, this should be good to go. The wheel, however, it's toast. So it is what it is. Doesn't really matter because I'm going to be swapping out wheels anyway. Overall, this is the little status update from this evening. So yeah, the dogs are checking out my work. But overall, I'm very happy with the fact that it's not crazy damage. So once I get this functional, I'll pop it on the lift, and that's where the fun stuff's gonna begin. But overall, it's looking good. And yeah, I'll keep making videos as I have real progress going. But so far, it's just the basics of getting it functional.